Hazrat Sahal bin Saad Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam encountered the polytheists and there occurred a furious fight between Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the polytheists. And when in the evening Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to his army and the others to theirs, there was a man amongst the companions who would not leave any alone or fleeing polytheist alive, rather chased him and killed him with his sword. Witnessing his daring feats, it was said, today none of us could do such a work as he has done. Whereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, but he is amongst the denizens of hell. So one of us said, I will remain with him. The transmitter says, he set out with him. Wherever he would stay, he would also stay there. And when he would run, he would also run along with him. The transmitter says this person, apparently a mujahid, got a deep wound, so he hurried to commit suicide. He placed handle of his sword on the ground while its point in the middle of his chest, and then put all his weight on the sword, and thus he committed suicide. So that man, the observer, came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, I testify that you are Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, what has happened? He submitted, you have recently said that he is one of the denizens of hell, and it lay hard on the people. So I said to myself, I will find the reality. So I remained with him in quest of it. He then became seriously wounded, and he hastened to commit suicide, placed the handle of the sword on the ground and its point in the middle of his chest, and then put his whole weight on it, and thus he committed suicide. At that time Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly, a man apparently performs the deeds like those of the people of paradise, but in fact, he is one of the denizens of hell. A man apparently performs the deeds like those of the people of hell, but in fact, he is one of the dwellers of paradise. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4202.